Kasi pinipidyo ko yung kanyang... Okay, the nurse is coming.
Yes.
Yeah, it's coming now.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay. Give him the medication. He's afraid of... He's afraid of... ito. He's afraid of... you know, operation.
No, I did not.
Cut it.
Anything.
Cut it. By the way, our nurse Roger is here, still wearing a helmet. See? Okay, give him a medication. Okay, now. Okay.
You see that?
Yes. We need to bring him to.
Like another people, they are just.
We need to bring him to ICU. Let's bring him to ICU. There and oh, see what happened?
Yeah.
Where is your syringe? Your injection where?
There is no injection.
Yeah, the dextrose is on the way, huh? The dextrose. It's on the way. The dextrose is on the way. Yeah, see? Because he's taking care so much. But that's what happened. Oh, see? Oh. Okay, ready now? Ready?
Oh.
Oh, see?
Yeah. Really, I appreciate that.
Yeah,
Really,
you must appreciate that, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sige na. Yung dextrose, pasunod na, no? Dextrose is on the way, ha? Oh.
I'm so sorry, boss.
Lagyan mo kayo ng kalang. Para di niya magalaw. Ito, oh. Ito. See? See? Yes.
You happy now, huh?
I'm not happy. I'm sad. So much sad.
No, I do not feel that from you.
Oh, I know. That's too much pain.
It's good.
Yeah. Tie it so much. Yes.
Yeah, for me,
Tie it
there's
so
no
much.
problem.
Yes. Until the skin color purple. Yes. See? Now you stay here. You will not go to gym. I save you for one day,
I
you
will
know.
go and I will take a photo from there to you. And I will send it directly to you.
This is Roger in action. You know? See? Roger in action.
Oh my God.
Huh.
I
Yeah.
appreciate that. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay, now you don't need your socks. Throw it here. Over here, in this reader. Okay.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you very much. Oh, my friend, now you're very lucky.
Ah.
Okay.